Hey, Ken Moon from Moonpie Creations here. About 10 months ago in October, I turned a large 16-inch bowl and platter, and they're right in here. We're going to see. It's been about 3 months, so let's see what they look like. If I can get this open, damn. Alright, the bowls first. Looks pretty good. Oh, there's a large crack right here. See if I can focus in on it. Right there, crack forming. We can fill that with anything we want. Okay, but the rest of it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and look at the platter if we can find it in here. Oh, here's the platter, and as you can see, the platter looks pretty good. A little bit warped. But I think they're going to need a couple more months, at least another month or so. I'm going to do this up and put them back in there, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're going to check in on this in another month and see how it's doing. Hopefully that split doesn't get too much bigger. Alright, until then, stay cool.